Guys, you have seen this today. People aged between 30 and 40 are taking rest. They shouldn't stay in their condominiums and they have to come out. So there is a pandemic. We should have to take care of our health. Let's come out and do jogging, walking. These are the few things that we can do to stay healthy. If you just stay back and don't come out, if you don't do any workout, I'm sure we are going to have type 2 diabetes and various other health hazards. Do you really want to have such things? You must come out. Beat this pandemic. Participate in workouts and don't stay back. This is your responsibility because you need good health and good life. Changing times. The more they change, the worse they are becoming. We are not so stable and health issues are coming. How far can we let it go like this? We need to give importance to health. Yes, you ought to give importance to health. You have to come out of your house and you must do workouts. If you stay back fearing the pandemic, it is very difficult for you to cope with the conditions. All we can do is helping ourselves. Who will come for us to help us? It is you. You have to help yourself. What do you say, friend? 90 out of 100 are on the beds even after 6 o'clock. Do you think that is good? I don't think so. Well, according to WHO, at least 8,000 steps per day. 8,000 minimum, 10,000 maximum. 8 to 10,000 steps one must take in order to stay healthy. How many steps are you taking per day? Don't attribute your flaws, problems with your business matters, job issues and all. I know this is a sedentary lifestyle. The jobs we are having these days are completely sitting based and there is no physical hard work. But how will you help yourself? If you have a problem with the type 2 diabetes, who will help you? Would you like to go to the doctors? Yeah, tell me. Would you like to go to the doctors? Carrying these many pills, tablets and all. I think we can help ourselves. Yes, we have to help ourselves. By coming out, take your walk and walk for 10 to 20 minutes and you can jogging, keep doing something, this and that. And you can also ride the bicycle. That way it is so much great. You can still stay back on the cot even after 5 o'clock. Why did I say 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock is the time that you must wake up, irrespective of the gender. Yes, you have to get out of your couch and you have to brush your teeth and you must finish your ablutions. You can do at least some meditation. You can do outside workouts, whatever it may be. Give some strain to your body. Yeah, you ought to embrace some changes. Change is inevitable, dear friends. All the best. Don't worry about pandemic. Don't do anything else if you're positive, okay? Oh my gosh, I forgot. Let me wear my mask, okay? Yeah. Let us stay at a distance, maintain social distance, and wear masks, sanitizer. You know one thing, when I come out, I'm using water, hot water. Yesterday at least to cleanse my hands, to keep the pathogens that are there on the skin away from my head. So this way, I'm going to clean myself, my hands. It may not be the right solution to fight the virus, but still, we can be safe. Hands can be safe. Think of it, dear friends. Life is yours, okay? You need to spend life happily, not the money that you have. Come out of your house. Don't take rest too much, okay? Good luck. This is NMR Purgan.